bzz, ba, poof, bzz, ba, poof, bzz, wheet, poof. Today we're doing the factory. Hop, hop, which, bean back. Hello! My name is Daniel. Welcome to Circus-expert. Okay, so the factory is a juggling trick for which you need to be able to do columns. If you can't do columns yet, there's a video about this linked in the description. But if you can do columns, you can do it on both sides or even in one side only, rather than throwing the ball that is in the single hand. So I juggle two balls on my left right now, and I can throw the third ball, but I can actually hold the third ball. Or I can move it up and down together with the orange ball. This is quite difficult. It's not difficult to throw because it actually doesn't change, of course, but it's difficult for our brains. And that's what the factory trick is, a lot of things that are a tiny bit difficult to think about. Also for me to talk whilst explaining, but I'm going to try anyway. So I move up and down together with the orange ball, but for the factory we need to add another step to it. I'm going to move in 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the rhythm that I'm already juggling. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can do 2 different ways. I can move up and move across my face so I can see the pattern. Or I can have my elbow above so I can see the pattern. But I don't want to be in front of my face because then it's really hard to see juggling. So I can switch between the 2 different versions. I can move above or I can move in front. And in either case, I like to present the ball. Juggling is something visual. I like to present it to an audience. I'm doing a trick that I want to look nice. If I hold the ball like this, it doesn't look as nice because you can't even see the green ball. It's more like a magic trick where I hide it. No, instead I want to present the ball and make sure that you can see it either with my fingers on the ball or with my fingers open. And also for that, if I go over, I don't block my face so much. But that's not a full factory yet because the factory has a drop on the end. So I bring the ball up and I drop it. So rather than a 4-step pattern, it becomes a 3-step pattern. Up, left, drop. Up, left, drop. And then the 2 balls, they're alternating. The inside of those 2 balls, so in this case the blue one, will jump into my right hand. So as I'm dropping, I'll take the orange ball into my dropping hand. As I'm dropping the orange ball, it will come down at the same moment as the blue ball, and the blue ball will go into my right hand. I'll show you. So I have the blue ball on the inside. The green one is the one I'm following with the orange ball. 1, 2, drop, and I catch the blue one in my right hand. Same thing one more time. 1, 2, 3. And I have the blue ball in my right hand. And then I can keep on doing this again. So let's put the blue ball again in the same position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you see the balls, they all cycle and slowly shift from the left side towards the right, where they get picked up and dropped again to the left. Once you get very comfortable with this, you can make some variations. For example, you can take it into the opposite direction, go with the right and go with the left. Or you can try and trace a whole box and catch it underneath your arm rather than drop it into your pattern. And you can combine it with a box or other tricks that have straight lines like columns, and then you can make a whole sequence with factory-like moves, and you can make them all robotic. Add sound effects if you want, and that is my recommendations for making a routine around the factory. I hope you learned something new. If you did, like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tricks, and see you in the next video. Goodbye!